WhatsApp is rolling out a new, stricter security setting called Strict Account Settings, aimed at protecting users from advanced cyber attacks and targeted threats. This optional lockdown-style mode lets you harden your account with a single toggle in Settings, Privacy, Advanced. Once enabled, it automatically applies the most restrictive privacy controls to shield you from potential threats. The feature is designed especially for high-risk individuals, such as journalists, public figures, activists, and others who may be targeted with spyware or sophisticated attacks, but anyone can enable it if they want extra protection. While WhatsApp already uses end-to-end encryption for chats, this mode goes beyond that by reducing how much untrusted or unknown interactions can reach your account, blocking common attack vectors that cybercriminals and hostile actors exploit. The rollout is gradual, so you may not see it immediately, but once available, you can turn it on from your privacy settings to tighten your security profile. This isn't just another toggle, it's WhatsApp finally offering a true lockdown option, similar to what Apple and Google have with lockdown mode and advanced protection. If you're worried about spyware, phishing, or targeted hacking, this mode can seriously reduce your risk. For everyday users, it may feel restrictive, but for people who need strong safeguards, it's a welcome addition to WhatsApp's security toolkit.